Hi Isaac. I'm going to explain the hospitality homework for you for today. So the first thing you have to do, you have a list of 10 job roles, which are these. Wait a second. These. So pastry chef, receptionist, human resource manager, food and beverage server, general manager, room attendant, guest relations officer, housekeeping supervisor, sous chef, and marketing officer. So these are a list of 10 job roles which you have here. Match these job roles with the 4 departments below. Now you have to use your booklet, the latest booklet that we've done, and you have to match these. Some of them are very obvious, so food and beverage department, you can add pastry chef because they're in charge of pastries. You have food and beverage server, you have and sous chef. All these job roles fall under food and beverage department because they involve food and beverage. Now you have to do the same thing for housekeeping department, front office department, and administration department. So for B, select 2 job roles, so 2 from this area, 2 from here, and you have to give an outline about them. I included an example in the email I sent this morning. So for example, you get pastry chef and you give the job role about them. So for example, in the email I sent, I wrote down pastry chef, and then I wrote down what he does. So a pastry chef is someone who is schooled and skilled in the making of pastries, desserts, bread, and other baked goods. Some pastry items may include cakes, cookies, cupcakes, pies, and ice cream. Pastry chefs are employed in large hotels, bistros, restaurants, bakeries, and some cafes. So you can use this example in your homework, and all you need to do is include another job role. So this is one job role because you have to use 2 job roles. So one is ready for you, you can just copy this, and you need another job role, so you have to choose a job role from over here. So either receptionist, human resource manager, etc. Now for the last part, describe the working conditions and advancement opportunities, which means how you can advance in that career, of 2 different job roles in the hospitality industry. So in this I include an example. So working conditions, you have to say how much they work, what conditions they work. So they spend many hours on their feet in hot, crowded kitchens. They arrive at work in the early hours to prepare the pastries and receive shipments, and spend late afternoon or early evening hours planning the next day's menu items. So for C, where it says describe the working conditions and advancement opportunities, you use this as an example. So this first example is ready. Then you have advancement opportunities, how you can advance in your career. So a pastry chef can become a head chef or a restaurant owner. So you use this example, and you have to do another job role. So for example, you're going to choose, let's say, receptionist, and you're going to say the working conditions of the receptionist and the advancement opportunities of the receptionist. These can all be found in your booklet.